topic that's due tomorrow, and roughly half the class hasn't done it yet. So I'm hoping this video will help a little bit. The title is called, as you see, finding isoprotonic atoms. So what that means is we're looking for atoms that have the same number of protons in them. All right. So when I do something like this, I'm going to use my notation, which looks like this. X for the symbol of the atom or the element symbol, and Z, which is the number of protons, M, which is the mass number or the number of protons plus neutrons, C, which is the charge, and M, or rather N, which is the number of atoms in the structure we're talking about, right? Where H2 has 2 atoms in it, right? N3 minus has got 3 atoms of nitrogen in it, and it's got a minus 1 charge. We don't put the Z here because we know it's nitrogen. If we did put Z, then we would say it's 7 because that's the atomic number of nitrogen, right? So I'm using this notation when I do this. I'm using it because it really helps me think clearly about this. So I'm supposed to write 3 different atomic cations. Okay, so I'm gonna first of all set myself up nicely and say I've got 3 of them, and they're all gonna be cations. So I'm gonna say, well, if they're cations, I'm gonna say +1, +2. I'm gonna go with the simplest ones possible. Okay, and +3. And if they all have 11 protons, then it's gonna be 11, 11, and 11. And wow, okay, so this is not so hard. I'm going to go here to my periodic table and look at the periodic table, which is not on there. Why is it not showing? Why is the periodic table not showing? Okay, so I'm going to go up to the periodic table that's in my textbook over here next to me, and I see that 11 protons means that we are looking at, where's my textbook? Oh man. 11 protons, I believe, is going to be, it's going to be sodium. All right, so since it's sodium, then the symbols are going to be sodium plus, sodium 2 plus, and sodium 3 plus. Now I don't need to put the 11s down there because it's redundant, right? 11 means sodium. And there's my answer. So I'm going to come over here and say sodium plus, sodium 2 plus, sodium 3 plus. Okay, so the purpose of this topic really is just to get you used to the symbols, right? What's a cation mean? What does 11 protons mean? And so on. All right, so hope that's helpful, and we've got another one coming.